All right, everybody. First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Let me do a quick update on what's going on. We've got a new tornado watch, which I know everybody's phone's blowing up. If you have my app, if you have the station app, it doesn't matter what app you have, it's gone off, right? Because we've got a tornado watch until 5 a.m. and immediately you're going, till 5 a.m., I'm going to have to stay up all night. Here's the thing. It's a big watch. You can see it extends from the foothills all the way to Raleigh. So notice how it doesn't include the mountains because that line has already moved through. So what's going to happen with this watch is as this line moves to the east, which it will, it's going to move off in this direction. As it moves east, they will start taking these counties out one by one. So every hour, there'll probably be a line of counties taken out. So just to give you a heads up, it's over areas just east of Boone, stretching from Wilkes County down to Caldwell, Burke County. And again, severe thunderstorm warning FYI for parts of Burke, Caldwell, Catawba County. Really nasty storm there. Now, when it says possible tornado, there is some circulation there. I've been watching it carefully, and I'm going to bring over my other radar here real carefully and kind of show you real quickly. I'm going to have to shrink this up so you can actually see it. So what you're looking at right here is actually the radar. Let me make this small enough for you to see. So what you're looking at here is the storm south of Morganton. Am I going closer? There's a circulation there, but it's not really tight. To me, this is really strong winds, and I wouldn't rule out a spin up, but damaging straight line winds is going to be our primary concern with this whole line. So I'm going to loop this a couple of times to kind of give you an idea of what it's looking like pushing off to the east. You can see the warnings along it. This is one of those QLCS. It's a squiggly squall line, which means it's producing a lot of wind, but also occasionally a little spin up produces a quick tornado. So not out of the question. That's why there's a tornado watch. So this line will be here by about 11 o'clock, be here by about midnight, be here by 1 a.m., and be here by 2 a.m. So if you're wondering, it's not going to be up to 5 a.m. This line is pushing to the east pretty quickly. Just to give you a quick idea on how quickly it's moving to the east, because behind it, that's the cold front. In fact, temperatures are falling rapidly behind that system, and it is going to get cold once that system moves through. So I know the tornado watch up, it's a little concerning. Yes, there is a line of very strong storms. This is that second line we talked about happening after sunset. It looks like it's going to occur right around midnight. New warnings developing. You can see the new warnings being posted along this line. So to me, the tornado threat is there, but man, there's a lot of straight line winds. If you've been outside or have your windows open or have been anywhere around the area, you know, man, the winds are howling out there tonight. So it's not going to take much to bring some trees or power lines down. Just be weather aware through about 1 or 2 in the morning. The good news is, if you're watching me on the radar, once this line moves through, and I'll loop this as many times as I can, you can see once it moves through, the severe threat will be done. So it's really just tracking this last line of storms through the next couple of hours. Obviously, I got back home. I've been at work for like 12 or 14 hours after 12 hours yesterday. So I'm watching this from home. I'll monitor this, but Chris Mulcahy's at WCNC right now. He'll have updates throughout the evening, including at 11 o'clock tonight. So tune in for the latest on what's going on with this storm system.